No, it's not gonna hit the light.
Oh, they're going.
Yeah, it'll lose all its momentum before it hits that light. Think something bad will happen? I don't know. You never know.
What's poppin', Jimbo? We're here today on Christmas Eve with a Christmas tree, and I'm Uzi Dan, and we're gonna open this box for Christmas. So this is one of those videos, okay? I just wanna warn you, do not try anything you're about to see in this video at home or at the North Pole, or Santa will put you on the naughty list. So Mr. Aussie Dan, who does not like Christmas, he loves Christmas, has contributed this idea of skateboarding on Santa's sleigh. So we scoured the internet for hours looking for a life-size sleigh, and all we can find were like really cheap ones that will break in 3 seconds. We were like, you know what? We're going for quality, not quantity. The size does not matter, all right? We got the smallest sleigh, but it's gonna hold up. So Aaron has no idea we even own this. Like, he does not know we bought this. Sometimes we kind of just do these things and we don't really tell him, and then we have him show up on a Saturday and then we surprise him. Let's open this bad boy up. Look at this.
Who's sitting in this?
Come on.
Me?
It's the Lastra sleigh, okay?
The Lastra sleigh.
It's the Lastra sleigh.
In honor
of Santa Claus and his #1 elf, Carlos.
Not gonna lie, he would look amazing in this.
Would he not? Look at that quality!
Hey, that could be a pillow.
It has a bell and everything!
Yo.
It's got the suspension, it's got the stainless steel, and I'm pretty sure someone is gonna get an arm chopped off. What do you think?
I hope so.
It would be a Christmas miracle.
You're drilling in all sideways.
It's fine, right?
It needs to be straight though.
This is wild.
We saw what happened last Christmas, right? That was the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life though. It was very unexpected.
This reminds me of Jurassic Park. It's like we're so caught up with if we could, we didn't think whether or not we should. Like this seems like it shouldn't be a thing. It shouldn't exist.
And now,
I want to sit in it.
Yes.
Mush, uh-oh, why is it bending like this? I feel like I'm over the weight.
No, it's good.
oh, you're good, look at that.
That's great.
Well done, Dan. All right.
Wait, real quick.
You break it! I'm gonna be so mad!
No, I'm not gonna break it.
Wait.
I just want to go slow and roll real quick. Ah! Oh! You see that? Heck no, after that. It almost
Mowgli? All right, here, aim yourself.
Where? Dude, this thing is not stable. Oh my god.
Hey, don't put your foot out. Put your foot in.
This is
Put
safety.
your foot in.
This is for safety.
No, put your foot in. You have safety. We're just going nice and slow.
Let's do this. I think we can do that.
Rock the baggy?
I think we can.
Let's get it, boy.
I think we can do that. Alright, hold on. Alright, next.
I wasn't expecting that.
Alright, let's go. My life. I thought I was a goner. I made it safe. Yeah, I don't know. That first one was.
The first one was good.
I know. I don't know what happened. I felt like my face was gonna go in there. That was scary.
That's how we do it, baby. That's how we do it. And this is solid too. All right, well let's save this until Aaron is ready.
This is waiting for an injury.
I got turning. Straight into the glass.
from tipping over. I'm gonna full send this.
How do you keep him from tipping over? Straight into Nigel's new car. Not a good look.
It's very hard to run in this costume. I think we put Nigel in hit a jump.
Well, let's get a ramp and send it over that fence.
Yeah. Should we bungee this?
Yeah.
All right.
At a fence?
I mean, some.
I don't want to pull it. I'll film.
Help me.
Dude, it's about to rip.
Yeah, I was thinking, you can't throw it on the ground, you gotta throw it to me so I can catch it. We broke it. What?
It
We broke
ripped.
it. Blame it on Gabe. You threw it on the ground.
You ripped it. Oh, what? How?
Threw it on the ground, it got under the wheels.
It's alright.
Let me throw you in the car.
Alright.
Attach it. Let's go.
Nigel! Can we tow him with your car?
No, I don't want to use Nigel's car.
Yeah, we can just get a rope or something.
Oh, that makes sense.
Alright, we're gonna use Mosley's car. You got your keys? Is this not like the sickest thing you've ever seen?
Sickeningest thing I've ever seen.
So I think we attached the bungee to the garbage can.
And then what?
Launch it at the garbage can.
No, why?
We should put a ramp in front of it.
Yes, in front of the garbage can.
Yeah.
No, Aaron, yes, dude.
It'll hit that light.
No,
You
it
just gotta
won't.
move your car.
Dude, no, it's not gonna hit the light. You just have to move your car. That light is so out of the danger zone.
I'm just getting.
it's
I'm
not.
getting.
Dude, I swear,
I'm
come on.
getting
No, Aaron,
flashbacks right
please.
now. You know what I hope happens? It goes straight into the light.
Dude, let's do it. Let's do it. We gotta do it.
No, we don't.
No, we didn't. Okay, all right, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do
That
it.
poor guy down there will probably
He's not
land
gonna
on
get
his
hit.
encampment.
No, it's fine. Pull a kicker out here and put it in front so we can launch it.
Oh yeah, I'm moving my car.
That way, yeah. A good idea, right?
Bro, that bungee is like 2 years old.
Yeah, it'll lose all its momentum before it hits that light.
I don't think it's gonna hit the light. I think the angle is just like.
Get ready to slow-mo this part.
No, I'm not like, dude. Okay, but that one, okay, I wasn't sure what was gonna happen. But now that I know what's gonna happen,
UPS. Nothing to see here. Where is he going?
Yeah, you got stuff to deliver.
That's actually very true.
Imagine he just took off. Wait, you're really tying that on there. You need to work on your knots, Gabe.
gotta straighten out, Cairo.
Why? It's a terrible idea. No, it was not my idea. This poor guy, he's just trying to deliver Christmas presents. What are we doing? Messing with this whole vibe. I can't get it off, dude.
Then,
Whoa!
Oh my god. Does he know?
just take it easy.
What do we do?
Don't hold on now, he's leaving.
Where are you going? Left? Left or right? You going right?
Oh my!
as the real heroes of Christmas, UPS. Let's give it up for them, everybody. I'm literally in the road. This thing's actually really solid.
Yeah.
I could have went the whole way, 35 down the interstate, because that's how people drive on the interstate, 35.
Did you see that?
Did they go fast?
Were you scared?
Santa doesn't get scared.
Dude, I did not know there was a cop.
Cop. The cops love Christmas. What are they gonna say? They're gonna give Santa a ticket? No. No, they're not.
So I'm thinking, not gonna hold. I think these will break. You know what I don't think will break?
Oh, if I can get them on. Oh, got it.
Should I send it?
No.
I want to do power slide though.
What do you mean? Just on the ground?
Yeah.
Oh, off the bungee?
Yeah. This is the first time using a bungee. I'm not too crazy. I don't want to go like.
Wait, have you played with this bungee before?
No.
Any bungee?
No.
Oh man.
But now's a better time. Look, I'm prepared.
Everyone is now terrified of this thing.
I have this too.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm gonna sketch it.
Wait, I got a good idea. Ollie the dumpster off the ramp.
What do you mean?
Well, we're gonna put a ramp there and Ollie the dumpster. And can somebody tell that pedestrian down there to move? Yeah, you're good.
I just want to roll straight.
Wait, that side?
That
Dude.
side.
He doesn't understand. Go. All right. Yeah,
Or do I have to go this way?
It was nice knowing you, brother.
Here,
Just
go.
go.
Go ahead. That's a lot.
Go ahead.
Golden.
I can barely see him.
Y'all played me.
All right, let's get the ramp.
No, I want to go a little further.
I take no responsibility for this, and you're not gonna pay for that car when it gets wrecked. I'm letting you know now. Gabe, that's on you.
I need more. Hey, that rush feels good.
Whose car is that? We need that to move.
Just put a ramp in front of the car, and then it'll just launch over.
Having second thoughts.
I'm telling my girlfriend what's about to happen in case anything bad happens.
Think something bad will happen?
I don't know. You never know.
I'm gonna be far away.
Do you remember what happened last time?
I have a telephoto mode on my phone now. I don't have to be anywhere
That Christmas
close.
tree went like over 100 miles an hour.
Yeah, I don't trust the bungee.
Perfect trajectory straight into that light. I'm just laying it down now.
It'll-
I am not paying for any damage that comes of this video.
It'll lose all its momentum, Gabe.
Tell that guy to get out
Do
of there.
you want to tell him?
Go tell
I'll
him.
let him know. Let's go. We're about to launch Sleigh, the one that we were pulling Santa on. We're launching it over the trash can. We don't know how far it's gonna fly or if it's gonna.
Something, bruh. I'm with all due respect to you, men, and all of you, bruh. I see what you're doing. Like I said, I see your organization going, bruh. Like I said, I seen you do. Yeah, like I said, I seen what you guys do, bruh, and you men do, bruh. Like I said, I'm with you, bruh. I'll be right here. I'm about to roll out in a second. I'm probably gonna.
No,
come
no,
back.
no. We're just letting
Just
you
in
know.
case some like anything
if it
flies
comes
this
your
way,
way,
but just
if it comes your way, just duck.
yeah.
I will.
All right.
But
Thank
I
you.
love you. Thank you, my man.
Yes, bless you. Happy holidays.
God bless you.
Thank
man.
you. All right.
Happy holidays.
You too.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hey, he's on another level. That was an amazing experience.
dude loves us.
He said he loves us. What did he say? He said if we need anything, to let him know.
Tell him we need some muscle to be a bodyguard.
Whoa!
Hey, thanks for launching it at us.
I mean, the sleigh's all not all that heavy either, so.
Hey, some little kid is.
I'm out of here.
Hey,
Santa's over this. No.
Dan, some little kid is just on the other side of this building, looks up and sees a sleigh like.
He's like, Santa!
Santa fell out.
Oh
of the
no, remember what happened? The Christmas tree came off of the bungee.
Yeah.
If we tie the bungee well enough, it's not gonna go anywhere.
But it might
It's
come
just
back.
gonna go far
That's
and then
even
come
worse.
back.
That's
even
worse.
It's gonna come back and hit you.
Yeah.
There,
Like
I
a
don't
not so
think
far.
there are test runs.
25% capacity?
Yeah.
Okay, 25% capacity.
No, like honestly though, like this one does not seem as dangerous.
Literally every time Gabe has had a bungee, it's never gone according to plan.
got a dip. I got the angle. I think we're a lot more prepared this year for what's to come, right?
Right now it started raining. The gods are speaking. They want their sacrifice. I had to say it. Look at that. It's raining. They want it.
I'm so scared.
that quick release.
Too much power!
Dude, if that stayed connected, that would totally go like over the roof.
light out.
What are you getting Santa into? He's a nice Santa. Just don't pull it that far.
That was a good speed. That's not gonna send it.
That was not a good speed. That was not a good speed. I literally, the slow-mo on the phone couldn't even catch the bungee. It was so fast. I'm not taking part in this in any way.
Where is he?
I'm in favor of calling this off as well.
Why?
I want that known.
No, you were just saying.
No, now I'm putting this on Nigel. This is now Nigel's responsibility because I said we should cancel it. I saw that bungee go and now I'm scared.
We're going to the moon, brother! You're not. Santa is dropping it off this year, baby!
Don't. Right there, right there. That's good. Right there, that's fine. You're fine, you're fine. No, don't keep going. You're not.
Down. 3, 2, 1, go! That wasn't that bad. That wasn't that bad.
10 miles an hour, it can skate faster than that.
I still take no responsibility.
It did go fast.
Critical damage.
Oh, we lost a spring.
We lost a couple springs. Where did those springs even come from?
Oh, they're at the bottom. That's like the suspension. Further, Nigel.
Further. Yeah, we gotta move them. I need another puller.
I say, look, no, honestly, if you want my opinion, you're not getting close to Christmas tree speeds unless you go all the way back to the red truck.
Yeah, I know.
No, and that's not what we need.
We need another ramp there.
That is what we need. It's fine. Just
But
get it off the ramp.
anything before that, I don't think it's gonna send that far.
You need to pull it, Gabe.
Oh no, I'm getting the angle.
What angle?
I pulled the Christmas tree.
So did I.
Yeah, so we're off the hook. The new guys do it. Did you notice something, Dan? The first one didn't work. The second one went to the right side. This one will probably go to the left side. There's our 5 stair. The next one's launching to the moon. If the pattern continues.
Do not pull it the same way.
No, it's not gonna hit the light.
Oh, they're going.
Yeah, it'll lose all its momentum before it hits that light. Can you send me battle hydrant? I don't know. You never know.
I'm so glad everybody's safe.
Oh
Oh my goodness!
It completely ripped off the. Wow.
Santa's
Santa's gonna be delayed a little bit.
They just don't make them like Christmas trees anymore.
Mini Santa is just not having a good time.
Hey, you know what? I vow we will launch something by the end of this holiday season.
No.
Yeah, no, Aaron, definitely not.
It's gonna be a cold winter.
You think you could have made it if you were in there?
Absolutely.
As long as you had a helmet.
You know what? Let's fix it. I'll sit in it.
I don't think there's anything to fix.
Launch it with the trucks. It's not as exciting.
Hey, that was still hauling.
That would have went.
That was still hauling. Dang. Leave it in the comments below what you think would have happened.
We hope you guys have an incredible Christmas. Check out all of those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, go to brailleskateboarding.com for all your skateboarding goods and everything you need to learn how to skateboard, or for that special someone in your life who needs a new board. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. We got you.